I wish all days was like this on DoorDash. Another order ready to go. Look at these people speeding, they tripping. Till y'all see these drinks. Hold on. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. They left me a tip at the door. We're gonna be starting off with this order right here today. $22.88. No, not 88. What the hell am I? $22.87 for 6.6 miles at Walmart. Check it out. Shop and order, shop and deliver. We got that one. They sent it to me as a round robin. We here already. We finna slide up in there. Look, welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Today we finna maximize. I'm out early. Shop and delivers are the way to go. No matter if it's Walmart, Spark, DoorDash, Uber Eats, whatever platform you're using. Shop and delivery is the way to go if you want to make that money in 2023. First item number 2 right here. Grabbing a stack of these. You might just need all types of storage containers. We got 1, 2, 3 storage containers. Looks like this is gonna be our last item right here. Oh, nope, we got some bananas too. Some bananas and a whole bunch of storage containers, and that's it. It's always nice when you can start off your day making $20 on a Walmart Spark order. 22 bucks to be exact, almost 23 bucks for 5 miles. Great miles to money ratio. Now that we got our wheels rolling, we got some numbers up on the board, getting our feet a little bit wet, we can go ahead and turn on Uber Eats and DoorDash and head on back towards the main road. You know what? Actually, I think I'm gonna head on back to Walmart, see if I can go ahead and grab me another shop and deliver or just another great paying Walmart Spark curbside order. But if not, I'm gonna have the other 2 apps right there ready to go so that I can try to, let's see, it's been 15 minutes since I picked up this order, walked through them couple of aisles and drove this 5 miles away. It's been 15 minutes. So if I do this correctly, I should be able to hop back in there and make at least another 10, 15 bucks before this hour closes out. All right, guys, we just made it back to Walmart and I've been getting hit with back-to-back offers on Uber Eats. They haven't been good, but I think this is a sign of me getting gold status because I'm just back to back with these Uber Eats orders. Third, we running it up today. $40.09 for 3.8 miles. Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. I'm about to go grab me a Walmart cart. I'm about to get right back up in this store and I'm about to get this money. Because look, what you got to realize is this is the 2nd order of the day. And now it's going to put me at 60 bucks. So now we running it up. Look, you got a multi-app. You got to be willing to shop. You got to make it happen. Last 2 items. Shop and deliver is the way to go. We got all of this done in 20 minutes. Shopping, bagging, and everything. It's gonna take me 2 minutes to get it into the car. 2-minute drive away. No, it ain't a 2-minute drive. It's more like a 5-minute drive. But still though, all this done within 1 hour. Still got time to get more orders. Dropping off that Walmart Spark order. $40. Not a lot of shopping. Especially if you learn your stores. If you learn your stores, this is all light work. Easy money, light work. We are now sitting at $62 on the day. First DoorDash order of the day, we got $12.50 for 4 miles right here at Alibi Cookies, and I'm pulling right up to it. They actually got an add-on. It's Alibi cookie pickup and a pickup at another spot too. I wasn't able to check. I just went on and hurry up and clicked accept. But we pulling up the Alibi Cookies right now. Hopefully they got these cookies hot up here at this cookie spot. Alibi Cookies, yes sir. Now this order for one customer, then they order something else down the road. We're gonna go pick that one up next. First DoorDash order of the day is ready to go. Looks like we're going to Alibi Cookie and Pretzel. We got our Alibi Cookie, so let's go get that Pretzel. This order for the same customer. Let's get it. We dropping off our double order, first DoorDash order of the day. $12 for 4 miles. Yes sir, they got some Pretzel. And then they also got some Alibi Cookies. There you go, front door service. Got that order dropped off, 1250, stays 1250, and we knew it was. It didn't show us any plus sign, and it's still early too. I'm actually surprised I got an order showing that kind of miles to money ratio this early in the morning. But the best part is it don't stop there. I ain't even leave the driveway and DoorDash sent me my next order. 725, 1 mile at Jack in the Box. Let's get it. And look, Jack in the Box is right back up here on the main road in the direction I already was headed. And I may be able to scoop up something else on Walmart Spark because the Jack in the Box is in the same plaza as Walmart. This is how you maximize, guys. This is how you make that money in the gig economy. You got to use multiple apps, know which ones to work at the best times, and hit it hard. Now, I use Solo. Solo lets me know which apps are going to be hitting at what times, but I also use my intuition. So if I use my intuition in conjunction with Solo, now I can maximize because I can say, hey, on which day, which hour do I need to be working? Boom, let me post up at the best spots, the best restaurants, and get that money. Now, if I can get one more shopping order, that's going to put me at $100 on the day already, and I ain't even been out 2 hours. I ain't even been out 2 hours, and we already finna be at $100, guys. This is the power of working with multiple apps. Now, it ain't gonna be like that every single day, but it's like that today, and I can dig it. Before I dropped off this double order, I was sitting at 62 bucks, and now, after dropping that off, add another $12.50 to that, now we at $74.50 for the day. Gotta order $7.25. That's gonna put me at 80 bucks right there. All I need is one shop and deliver on Walmart Spark, and that's $100. And what's this on Uber? All these drinks, this delivery requires the whole bag. And I'm glad I got it with the drink carrier too, because them Jack in the Box drinks are huge. Wait till y'all see these drinks. Hold on. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. They left me a tip at the door. I appreciate it. So first we're gonna pick that up and sit that one right there. So we're gonna sit bag number 1. Thank you so much for the tip. That is awesome. We got, almost dropped my $10. We got the order dropped off. Boom, take a picture, and we out. That is awesome. Great order, and we got a $10 cash tip. Wow. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? DoorDash customer was awesome. Tipped $4 in the app and left a $10 bill for me under the mat. Let's get it. That order put me at, let's see, I was at 74. It was a $7 order, $74.50 plus 7 more bucks. That's gonna put me at $81 plus that 50 cent, $81.75. Boom, throw the 10 on there. Now we at $91.75, and I just got my next order already. Check this out, sir. We got $8.25 plus for 3 miles at Subway, and guess what? We already here. We about to slide up in there right now and see what the heck is going on. Hey, shout out to all the DoorDash drivers out there. If you out there getting that money on DoorDash and you maximizing and you like to make money on your own terms, do me a favor. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, because we like to do the same thing on this channel. I wish all days was like this on DoorDash. Another order ready to go. Look at these people speeding. They tripping. Let me make sure I get that picture too. Order dropped off, handed it to the customer, got that picture. You already know we don't play. Let's go ahead and complete that. Let me know in the comments below, what does $8.25 go up to? Woo, I'll take it. $9.16. Let's go. So let's see, we did a $22 order, almost 23. Then we did a $40 order. That puts us at almost 63 right there. And then after that, we got $12.50. That puts us at, what's that, 73, 75. Okay, now we jamming. Then we got the $7.25 order, DoorDash Jack in the Box order. So that put us at what, like 82. Then I just did the Subway order. Oh, but hold on, that put us at 82, but I got the $10 cash tip. That's 92. Then I did the Subway order, $8.25 plus, turned into $9.19. That puts us at $101 on the day. Let's get it. And I just got my next order already. Look where we at. We at Walmart, $19.96 for 1 mile. Let's get it. Only 10 items on this thing, and guess what? We in parking spot 30. I don't even care about to go in her shop this so fast. This customer ain't never got to order this fast in their life. But guess what? They getting it today. Item number 1. Only 2 more items to go. Made it to our customer drop off. Now this order does have alcohol on it, so I want to make sure I remind you guys, whenever there's alcohol, Make sure you verifying the person who's picking it up. Scan their ID. You don't want to be handing it off to the wrong person. You can risk deactivation on the Spark app or any app if you let that happen. So make sure you don't. Time is now 2 o'clock. Lunchtime. Well, we actually went through the lunch hour now. It can actually go as long as 2:30, 3 o'clock sometimes. But the main rush of the lunchtime is over with. I'm sitting at $122 and I only been out 3 hours. Let's go. That's over $40 an hour using Walmart, Spark, Doordash, and Uber Eats, even though I didn't get no Uber Eats orders. I'm about to go in the crib and get me something to eat me some lunch, and then we're gonna hop back out and see if we can make some more money.